All right, we are home, our new home, and this is the front. I fell in love with this little arch and this whole storybook cottage style of home. I've already forgotten the name of these kind of homes. Tudor, Tudor. So this is as is. We will make changes over time. Let's go inside. All right. Okay. It is very traditional, which is what I wanted, with separate spaces. So this is the foyer hall and little coat closet. And to your left is a study and then a little powder bath. And then you step down, house was built in '78, into the living room, den, whatever you call it. And love the big fireplace, the big brick fireplace. I've always wanted one. And the built-ins on either side. And then the views to the outside, I love. Door to go out. Then there's a little wet bar here. Step back up. So that's the wet bar and the breakfast area. I'll be taking all the curtains down. And the kitchen. And we just passed the laundry room, but I don't want to go back. And then here we are back into the front in the dining room at the front door. All right, so let's go upstairs. Let me close this door first. All right, so heading up. All the bedrooms are upstairs. So you come up, and to your right is the master, and it's very spacious, room for a sitting area. And then we'll be changing the wall color. Then the master bath, so built-ins, first closet, tub shower combo, second closet, and the toilet and vanity. So there's a lot of updating we'll be doing. I think that this house was updated in the 90s, late 90s, early 2000s. And so we will be updating that. Here are the secondary bedrooms. I'm going to use this one for my yoga room. And let me show you. And this is the last bedroom. They did not change out that 70s carpet or these 70s drapes or that 70s fixture. I did not think that our elderly senior cat would be able to climb the stairs, but he found himself a little spot, climbed upstairs, and found himself a comfortable spot to hide while all this moving is going on. This is another thing I fell in love with, is the guest room is a nice size and has an attached bath with this little vanity area for makeup, and then the regular vanity, and then built-ins, and then the bath part with the tub and toilet and more built-ins. It's amazing. And so we'll be taking out this carpet, painting walls, changing out light fixtures, switches, all the switches and outlets, updating light fixtures, and just that alone I think will do a lot. Right now, I came over here to beat the movers, open all the windows, start a diffuser, and I'm wiping out cabinets and stuff and trying to get the scent of the former homeowner gone, or at least, anyway. Though this wall here is Venetian plaster, and I actually really like it, so I'm gonna leave this alone and live with it. But I am looking for 2 new foyer lights. And look at this chandelier in the dining room. I'm gonna plan to leave that and see how I enjoy it. And if I don't, we'll change it. All right, guys, I'm gonna get back to cleaning. Just wanted to give you an empty house tour of our new home.